Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers back again with one of our part showcase videos. What I want to show you today are the RV stackers. These things are incredible to have in your RV when you're traveling. All kinds of uses for them. One of the bigger uses that we saw was people using them as a platform to put their jacks on. That was one that isn't even on the a lot of people's minds, but it gives you a more secure footing, right? They don't sink down in the ground, things like that. So one was simply a pad for the jacks. The other that you can see, it's on the side of the box, it's going to be hard for you to see, but a lot of people stack them up in a pyramid, and the reason is then they can get their one side of their trailer up on and level out their trailer. So you can use these to level your trailer from side to side, especially if you don't have a leveling system. And again, it's really convenient. You just build them into a pyramid so your RV backs up real nice and easy on it, and it can come right back off very nice and easy. There's a ton of uses for these things though that we kept finding. You'll find the same thing. The important thing is don't go camping without them. You can find them on our website. You can also give us a call at 877-877-4494. But make sure before you go camping you have some stackers with you. And please follow us on Facebook and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see other great videos like this.